Hey everyone, how's it going today? I think today the wife and I are going to go on a little bit of a date. So we're going to go check out Don's TV and Repair out in Milwaukee. Hopefully you enjoy it. Now the decor here at Don's TV and Repair is pretty awesome, as you'll see. It has classic 90s themed items along with some more up-to-date or relevant items as well. I learned about this place from John McGivern's Main Street episode about the Milwaukee Harbor District. My first reaction was, wow, this is pretty cool. And then I thought, wow, how come I never heard about this place? So we had to come check it out right away. We did set up an appointment for 11 a.m. right when they opened, and that is why I was able to get so much great footage. The place packed in pretty quickly, so you'll absolutely want to make sure you have an appointment. Now, I haven't had shake in forever, but this s'more shake was definitely calling my name. It was killer, and I'm glad I got it before our food because I'm not sure I would have been able to finish it otherwise. So my wife got the scrambler. Eggs, tater tots, onions. She also included a bunch of meat in there, and then couldn't resist going after the Bloody Mary. I went the more traditional route. I did get some cheesy tots, and I got the naughty bacon burger. Made it a double because I do like my double cheeseburgers, and this did not disappoint. It was very, very tasty. I would absolutely order this thing again. So overall, how was our experience? I would say it was pretty pleasant. We really enjoyed the food and the drinks. Service was great, and being able to get to explore the restaurant a little bit before anyone else got there was pretty nice. I'd go check it out if I were you guys. And hopefully you let me know what you think of your experience in the comments below. On Instagram, you can find me at Beer Lovers of Wisconsin. If you liked the video, go ahead and click on that like button, hit subscribe, and if you want to get notifications, hit that bell icon.